हो, हो. हेलो सर. हेलो.
Hi, Rishikesh, am I audible?
हेलो.
Audible?
यस सर. यस सर.
Just a minute, Rishikesh.
यस सर.
Hi, Rishikesh. Thank you for joining. You have some issue with my camera. I will be there in few minutes. So
यस सर.
Rishikesh, thank you again for joining. And so today, what are we doing is others also who have joined from YouTube. What are we doing today is understanding things very basic way. Now Rishikesh is just have just completed 12th standard and he's onto his BBA role now. He will be joining a BBA. We will be doing a course of BBA in the next coming months. So before that, before he joins the classes, I wanted to tell him that financial modeling is not that difficult. It is to be learned the point you clear your 12th because he's from commerce background and accounts and liabilities or assets liabilities everyone has done. But the point is how to use it in a day-to-day life. Accounts is not only on books. Final accounts is not only that you tally the balance sheet. There is a purpose on how to tally, and it is not something that tallying tallying doesn't go that from entries and all. Even without entries, we can still tally these things. So Rishikesh, I'll tell you how the things are tallied. You must have also done it in your 12th standard,
यस सर.
and so you must have felt that this is difficult. Accounts is difficult. What do you think?
Sir, actually, as I hail from accounts background, my father is an account
Hmm.
professor, so I don't feel that difficult about accounts. It's easy.
Okay. So
Yeah.
have you ever tried to make your own balance sheet?
No, sir. No.
Why so?
Sir, I have not been in any business or anything to
Okay.
track assets and liabilities. So,
Do you think that only businessmen can make the accounts? Is that what you think?
uh, before joining this internship, my perspective was that only businessmen do make the accounts. But also I came to know that each person also maintains his ledger, general, also balance sheet
Correct.
as well.
Correct. So accounts is not only maintained by because of business or for business people, even personally we maintain our account. It is just that we don't analyze it. That is why we think that okay, personal account is not that important. Because see, at the end we also file ITR, income tax, and everyone files. So there is accounts to be made. But what we make, we only make income and expenses. कि इतना income आया and then expenses, and this is our profit. Usually in salary, there is no profit. There is only income. Whatever the income is, you have to pay tax on it. So there are few different things that you should understand from a personal as well as from a company perspective. Okay, so
Yes.
let's say we'll talk about basic business, and then I will come to a personal. How do you make your personal account? Okay. Now today, let's say I am doing my own business, so I started as my freelancer. So freelancer, obviously, it's not called a business as such. It is where I train students, I get the money, and it is the same thing. Okay, income and expenses. Okay. Now let's talk about business first. Very basic business. Rishikesh, if I ask you if we want to make a start a shop, basic chocolate shop. Okay,
Okay, sir.
what are the things are required? What things are required? What do you think? To make a shop,
First,
what are the things that are required?
sir, first we will require a shop to set up our shop as well, like our business. Then we'll
Correct.
require some shelves and everything to keep our chocolates and everything. We would require a normal book to maintain our accounts and everything. Also, if we are starting our small chocolate business, we won't require some like staff. But if we are starting at a bigger perspective, we need a staff as well.
Inner staff. Okay, let's
So,
now just you are starting the own business. You are, let's say, freelancer. Okay, first you are starting your own business.
yes, sir.
Let's say you want to start a shop. Okay, basic chocolate
Yes, sir.
shop. Okay. Asha, now in
Yes,
that.
sir.
Okay. Okay, now I'm opening an Excel file. Okay, I'm opening one Excel file.
Yes,
Now
sir.
you tell me what are things to right. Okay. Okay, you said you want a shop. Okay, correct? To start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hope my screen is visible.
Yes, sir. The YouTube is visible. YouTube
The
one.
YouTube is okay. So yeah, sorry. Now the Excel is visible.
Uh, Give it a second. Yes, sir. It is visible.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. Okay. So you said you want a shop. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then what do you want?
Then raw material, the chocolates.
The chocolates. Okay, fine. White chocolates.
Yes.
Okay. Now let's say you are 12th standard. You have just completed 12th standard. You don't earn money, right? Now,
Yes,
where are
sir.
you supposed to take money to fund this, to buy a shop, to buy chocolates?
From my father.
From your father. Okay. So now let me see
Yes,
it.
sir.
Let me keep it in this way. Your father. So let's say you get your money from your father. Okay. Now to have a
Yes.
shop in a city like Pune, you will require at least 50 lakhs approximate.
Yes,
This is
sir.
random number, random number.
Yes.
So you require 50 lakhs to start to take to at least buy a shop.
Start.
Okay. Now you also want chocolates, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now chocolates, to get chocolates, you also require more money. First to fill chocolates and
Yes,
then
sir.
to sell it, correct? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's say so let's say you borrow. Acha, when you say borrow, so borrow, let's say you borrow 60 lakhs. So obviously you are not paying money to your dad again, the interest. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you are not borrowing as such, you are funding. The difference. Funding and borrowing. Whenever you say borrow means you have to pay interest on it. Okay, now I'm saying you are just
Okay.
funding money, you are taking the money from your dad just to run the business. So obviously dad becomes your owner of the company. It is because he is giving the money to start.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Usually what happens, first is father and some second is your usually your own capital. Okay. Now let's say whatever you have
Yes,
saved,
sir. Yes, sir.
let's say a basic one. Okay, let's say you only have 1 lakh rupees. Assuming just one basic, just to keep the numbers uh, easier. I'm saying you have your own 1 lakh rupees. Okay, let's say you have accumulated over the years. Your own. So now, can I say how much capital has been invested?
61 lakhs.
61 lakhs. Okay.
Yes.
So I will say the capital that is invested is around
Yes, sir.
61 lakhs for your uh, business. Okay. Now, acha, obviously you cannot buy. So if the shop is of 50 lakhs, let's say I put it, shop is of 50 lakhs. Chocolates. Now, how much amount is remaining with you?
11 lakhs.
11 lakhs. Okay. So out of
Yes, sir.
11, let's say you bought 10 lakh rupees chocolates. Okay. Now this chocolates, I will divide it into few parts like quantity and price. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Quantity and price. Let's say chocolates, let's say you buy 100 chocolates, or let's say 10,000. Okay. That
Yes,
will
sir.
get you. So, yeah. So this will be around 1,000, 10 lakh rupees of chocolates.
Yes, sir.
Right. 10, 100 chocolates at one chocolate price is around 10,000 rupees. Okay. Or let's do the other way around. 10,000 chocolates. Sorry, 10,000 chocolates at the price of 100. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
one chocolate, what is the price of one chocolate then? 100.
Yes, sir.
100, huh?
100. 100.
100 price, 100 per quantity and 10,000 chocolates. Okay. This is the amount that you paid to start the business, correct? So, actually, still how many lakhs is remaining with you now?
1 lakh.
1 lakh is still remaining with you. Okay. That will be in your bank account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's make a basic bank account. These transactions, how will you write it in your bank account? Okay. Let's say when you bought money, sorry, got money from your dad, so it will not be directly in cash, assuming it is everything in bank. Okay. So have you seen
Yes.
your bank account? Seen, right?
Yes, sir.
You must be using GPay as well, right? So let's say
Yes.
I don't use debit and credit over here. What I want is, father, how much amount he invested? Acha,
60 lakh.
he gave you 60 lakhs. Okay. That is plus. Okay. So own capital, this is your own capital
1
that
lakh.
you invest around 1 lakh. Okay. Now, so you bought shop for 50 lakhs. Okay. So right shop. So now while doing it 50 lakhs, I will do is equal to and minus. Okay. Is equal to minus. Why? Because it's a bank account. Money that is coming in, that is plus, going out, it is minus.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it 50 lakhs? So, and what you bought?
Chocolates.
Chocolates.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to, again, minus sign. Correct?
Yes.
How much is this? 10 lakhs. Okay. 10
Yes,
lakhs.
sir.
So if I sum that, now how to sum this? Alt is equal to, okay,
Yes,
alt
sir.
is equal to, or else you can also do is equal to and sum. You press sum, press tab, and then just, okay, is around 1 lakh. So closing balance. Okay, and I write this. Now I know that you have how many? 1 lakh rupees in your bank account. Okay,
Yes, sir.
1 lakh rupees in your bank account. This is the bank account statement. Acha, now, acha, what do you understand by balance sheet? If I ask you, what do you mean by balance sheet?
Balance sheet is a financial statement which shows assets and liabilities at the ending of the year, which shows your financial position at the end of the year.
Which shows your financial position at the end of your year.
End of the
Acha,
year.
balance sheet, I will say balance sheet is always you have to write numbers on the balance sheet which are balanced with you, things which are balanced with you.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Easy answer. Things which are balanced with you is what you put here, is what you show in the balance sheet. Okay. Now, see, I have not passed any entry, correct? I have not passed any entry. I have not passed any journal entry. So journal entries, then ledger and trial balance. Still, I will tell you how I tally my balance sheet. Okay.
Okay.
Now, example. Acha, now when did you learn about balance sheet?
In 11th standard?
In 11th standard. Okay. What if I
हाँ.
tell you, Rishikesh, you had learned this in school, when you were in school? Acha, tell me, when did you understand about money? पैसा देखी कुछ मिलता है. When did you understand this?
Sir, at the age of 4 to 5, or
To
early
five?
also, at 3.
Ali?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, okay, correct. 4 to 5 years or maybe 6 years, when you are in first standard and you understand what is money. Now, balance sheet is nothing but hisab dena. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Giving hisab to your dad. Okay. Let's say your dad gave you 1,000 rupees. Okay. Since it's your birthday. Okay. You bought
Yes,
a
sir.
chocolate of, let's say 600 rupees. How much rupees is there with you now remaining? 400?
400. Yes.
Acha. Okay. Now tell me, this chocolate is an asset or a liability or an expense?
Chocolate is an expense.
An expense. So what
Yes, sir.
if I tell you it's an asset? What are assets?
Uh, I don't remember the actual definition of an asset. Uh,
Okay, no.
in a
According to you,
general way,
ah,
uh, the assets are the things which we hold for a long term, or anything which benefits you.
benefits for long. Okay. So now
Yes,
I will just refine your statement of asset. You are right. You are not wrong. That is also a part. But practically, assets are something which has value.
yes, sir.
Okay. This is general. Nothing to be remembered over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Assets are something which has value in it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
Assets are something which has value. मतलब जब तक तुम उसको यूज कर सकते हो,
Hmm.
it has value in it. You told chocolate is an expense. Okay. Let us say your dad gave you 1,000 rupees, you bought a chocolate of 600. What if your friend comes and asks you, Rishikesh, can you give me this chocolate? I have to gift it to someone. Can you give him the chocolate?
I can.
You can, huh? And you can even ask 600 rupees from him because you have purchased it for 600.
Yes, sir.
So can I say you created some value out of it?
Yes, sir.
And it is not always that you sold this chocolate 600, so it will increase in value. No, it doesn't mean that increase in value. It's just that any value, even if it's sold, let's say if it's a friend and you sold it for 300, still it has a value. Okay. So assets are something which has value. Okay.
Yes,
For it. Now I will give them. Now this is a very basic conversation that you got 1,000 rupees from your dad and you spent 600 rupees. Okay. Now let me put it in a balance. Now in 11th standard, you must have learned balance sheet is called sources of funds. You know this? Sorry, liabilities is called sources of funds.
yes,
Remember?
sir. Yes, sir.
So I don't want to use the words assets and liabilities from here on. Sources of
Okay.
funds. And what was the next? Assets are called. One is sources of funds. Then remember?
Sir, actually, we we didn't have this.
No,
We
no,
only had assets and liabilities.
no. In books of accounts, it is only the first chapter in books of accounts, bookkeeping. It is written. After that, it is not written anywhere in the book. Okay, it is the first day when you have got to the college. It has written. So assets, liabilities are called sources of funds, and assets are called uses or application of funds. Okay.
Okay.
Remember, I will not use liabilities and assets from here on. I'll only say what are sources of funds and what are where it is applied.
Yes, sir.
You know why? Now, in this, who were your source of fund?
Dad.
Dad.
Yes.
So can I write dad? Okay. Dad gave you 1,000 rupees. Okay.
Yes.
Where did you apply it?
Buy a chocolate.
To buy a chocolate.
Yes, sir.
Buy a chocolate. Okay. 600 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Remaining is 400.
400.
Now, assuming it is all bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So where will that 400 reflect?
To chocolate side, asset
Ah,
side.
no, why asset side? It is because it has been applied in your bank account.
It is there in
Yes,
your
sir.
bank account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
हो गया बैलेंस शीट टैली.
Yes, sir.
हो गया बैलेंस शीट टैली. Correct. So you learned today, or sorry, you learned in 11th standard, or you learned this in school, or maybe when you were 4 years old, 4 5 years old.
4 5 years
Was
old.
this हो गया ना, टैली हो गया ना बैलेंस शीट.
हाँ सर, हो गया.
अच्छा, एंड इसमें मैंने कुछ बोला कि जर्नल एंट्रीज पास करनी है, लेजर बनाना है, फिर ही
नहीं.
फिर ही बैलेंस शीट टैली होगा. Till it
नहीं.
tally. So balance sheet is nothing new that you have learned in commerce. It is what we have learned in when we were in school. It is just that you have been told that इसको बैलेंस शीट बोलते हैं. Okay, तो ये चीज ऐसे रिफ्लेक्ट हुई थी इन अकाउंट्स. तो जब अकाउंट में पहली बार कोई जाता है, इट फील्स लाइक इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आर एसेट्स एंड लायबिलिटीज. Because as you rightly mentioned, sir, I forgot the definition of asset.
Yes,
I will
sir.
say, how can you forget that you have value? It is, मतलब तुम्हारे पास एक चीज है, उसकी वैल्यू है. नहीं सर, मैं भूल गया उसकी वैल्यू क्या है. यू मस्ट बी हैविंग ए मोबाइल फोन ना,
Yes,
है ना,
sir.
उसकी वैल्यू कुछ तो है ना. इट इज नॉट
Yes,
फॉर
sir.
फ्री. बस things which has some value in it is called an asset. Even your
Yes.
earphone which you are using, it has a value. Acha, now why chocolate is not an expense and why it is an asset? It is because it's the chocolate that you have not eaten it. अगर तुमने ये चॉकलेट खा लिया होता, then उसकी वैल्यू खत्म, then it's an expense. Okay, if
Yes,
you eat
sir.
that chocolate, then it is called your expense, because now
Expense.
you have used that asset completely. मतलब uses means, so balance में क्या ना, balance sheet is something which has value remaining in it. So the chocolate still has value remaining in it. Okay.
Yes,
Even the
sir.
milk in your fridge today, it is also an asset. You know why? Because if a neighbor comes and asks you, Rishikesh, can I have 1 liter of milk? Can you give him?
Yes, sir.
Yes. And you can still ask money from him. Correct?
Yes.
अच्छा, now that question of वो और जो आता है ना, other equity, sorry, reserves and surplus. Now what is that? Now think in this way. You got a chocolate for 600. Your friend comes and tell that, Rishikesh, I want the chocolate immediately. I want to gift it to one of my best friend. Okay.
Okay.
Now you are a businessman. You said, if it's that urgent, demand supply. You said, I will not give you at 600. I will give you at 700. Agree?
Yes, sir.
And your friends say agree. And your friends say, okay, I'm ready to pay, because you said I went out and I purchased that, so it took me time. So I will charge more for you. If you want, take it or else leave. He said, I'm fine. I will pay 700. So how much profit did you made?
100.
100. So I'm just writing it in a statement. So it will be your sale of chocolate. Okay. You sold it for, how much did you sell it for?
700.
700. And price of chocolate, what is the price that you purchased?
600.
600.
Yes.
So can I say you have done a profit of 100?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And now tell me, how much amount will be there in your bank account now?
500.
Let's make it. Let's make it. First, when you started your day, how much did your father give you?
1000.
1000. Okay. So 1000 was added in your bank account. Then what you bought? You purchased
Chocolate.
chocolate. Purchase
Yes.
of chocolates. That was 600. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I will take it negative. Okay. 6. Put it negative 600. Achha, now then what you did? Sold.
Sold.
Sold the chocolate. For what price?
For 700.
700.
Yes, sir.
Achha, so I will put here. I'll put this 100. See, what I've done, I've just linked it. Okay. How I've
Yes.
linked it? How I've linked it? When you said 1000 rupees, okay, Dad, you already have the 1000 rupees over here, right? So what did I do is equal to, and I clicked it 1000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Same. And then negative. How did I get this negative? Is equal to minus sign. And then it is purchase of chocolate 600. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This 700 is already we have, again is equal to, I will write 700. Okay. Now this 600 I have not done in red is because I already have the number over here. So I have linked it. And this 100, how did I got this 100? Is equal to 700
700 minus.
600. Correct? It is 100.
Yes.
Achha, now 1000 was there in your bank account. You spent 600 to buy the chocolate. So 400 was remaining. And again, you got 700. So if I want to sum this all, so can I say 1100 is there in your bank account?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now the cash account. So you will say that Dad, I have 1100 rupees in my bank account. Are there any chocolates?
No.
Chocolates are sold. Dad is saying that I gave you 1000 rupees. You ate the chocolate. So how can it be 1100 in your bank account? Where is that extra 100 rupees coming from? So now just tell me, this 100 rupees was your profit, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, was it another source of funds or you have used that money? What is that 100 rupees?
Surplus.
Surplus? So can I say it's
Profit.
a source of fund for you?
Yes, sir.
So one source of fund was your dad who gave
Hmm.
you money. Another source you created on your own. That
Yes, sir.
is,
Great.
so usually in finance, we call other equity. And in your accounting, we call it reserves. Right? Reserves and surplus. One and the same thing.
Same.
One and the same thing. Reserves and surplus or other equity. Other equity, why is other equity? Because one source of fund was your dad, another sources. So you have created one more source of funds. That is this. And then your balance sheet tallies.
Yes, sir.
Now see, I have just punched these three numbers. Rest all is linked. Okay, rest all is linked. Now see how it changes. What if your dad gave you 1500 rupees? See, if I change the number from over here, see everything changes, but the balance sheet tallies.
Yes, sir.
What changed? Source of
The
fund changed.
funds.
Cash also changed. Okay. And
Yes.
how it is changed? This is changed from this column. So this is your P&L statement and this is your cash flow statement. This is your profit and loss statement and this is your cash flow statement as told in. And you see annual report, you see something like this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now see, from the sale price, what if you have sold it for 650? See what happens. Surplus becomes 50. Your bank becomes 1150. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, was this a business? Was this a business?
Yes, sir.
This was a business. So you don't have to understand bigger business. It is just the basic businesses. Also, you can make a balance sheet. P&L. I'll also tell you how to make your personal balance sheet. Once we are done with this, I'll tell you how to make your personal balance sheet. Now, you know what happened? I was like, while teaching you, you understood this, but I slowly told you about modeling, financial modeling. So financial modeling is nothing but about linkaging your P&L, balance sheet, and cash flows.
Okay.
Can I say everything is linked? When I change
Yes.
this, you know what will change? My balance sheet will change.
Yes, sir.
My cash will change. And then again, this amount will also change. Correct? If I do 600, if I do, let's say again 700, if I do, what happens? My surplus changes, my cash changes. So surplus changes. So when I punch the number over here, you will see here also the number. Whatever you do, my balance sheet will tally. This is the base of financial modeling. So do you feel it's difficult?
No, sir.
It's quite basic.
Yes, sir.
Sources of funds and application of funds. Yeah, so guys who are on there on YouTube live, I will tell you that again that Rishikesh is just in 12th standard. He has just cleared his 12th standard. So if he can understand, possibly you guys should also understand. So we will do this for the next week as well. And I will tell how to make a model step by step. It's very basic. Those who know are very deep understanding. So we run a different classes for that. But this is very basic. I want everyone to at least know the basic of modeling before getting into an IB. If you want to be into an investment banking role, these are the basic things that you should understand. You should not just hope onto a company and start making it, because it is very difficult to understand. Once you understand, once you start understanding the difficult part, the easy part becomes more difficult for you to understand. Start from the easiest part, and difficult part will come on its own. Okay. So in finance, in financial modeling, you need to have a good hold on your Excel. Rishikesh, for you as well. If you
Yes,
want to
sir.
get into an investment banking role, so you should have a good hold on your Excel. Excel should be a little quick. And this linkages. Linkages are to be done by understanding things. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let's go to our purpose that when we are doing. Your father gave you 60 lakhs rupees. You have your own 1 lakh rupees, so 61 lakhs. Now these chocolates, so now let's make a balance sheet out of it. So now every balance sheet, there is always a schedule to be made or notes to accounts. Okay. Notes to accounts to be made. Okay, now you have, let's say, 10,000 chocolates. Now I am saying out of that 10,000 chocolates, you sold 9,000 chocolates at 120 rupees. Okay, you sold 9,000 chocolates at 120 rupees. That is 10,80,000 rupees worth of chocolates. How much profit did you make?
80,000.
Sorry,
80,000.
80,000. Okay, so Rishikesh, you are wrong in this, because what if I tell you something like this? You had sold 5,000 chocolates for 120 rupees. That was 6 lakhs. So did you made a loss of 4 lakh?
Yes, sir.
What was the price of one chocolate that you sold?
100. 120.
120.
120.
What is the price that you purchased?
100.
So did you made a loss?
No, sir.
No, no.
No, sir.
Now why you get that difference is because of the quantity. Okay, let me explain you. Now let's make a profit and loss statement. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Sell price. Selling price. Achha, when you learned about selling price, cost price?
4th or 5th standard.
Again, 4th or 5th standard.
Yes, sir.
Selling price. Okay. Achha, now tell me, out of this 10 lakhs, is it an asset, expense? Is it an asset?
Chocolates are assets for me.
No, it is not chocolates are asset. It is because you have not sold it as of now, means it's an asset.
Asset. Yes, sir.
Okay, because it is still there with you. Okay. As of now, it's an asset. But see what? Now you have sold, let's say, 9,000 quantity of chocolates. Okay. At the price of 120.
Yes, sir.
Correct? So if I ask you how much profit did you made in on one chocolate?
20 rupees.
Rupees. And how much you sold?
9,000.
So 20 into 9,000. 2 nines are
18.
18. 1,80,000 is what you made.
Yes, sir.
Right now. And you said you made a loss of profit of 80,000 when I asked you before.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So why is that difference? Is because of that not concept, but it's like basic, no? 20 रुपया अगर एक चॉकलेट बना रहे हो and 9,000 का एक चॉकलेट है. So sorry, 18,000, not 1,80,000, 18,000. 18,000 is what you made. Correct? 9,000 into 20. So 20 है तो 2 is 18,000. 20 is 1,80,000. Correct? But how to write it? How to account it? किसी को बताना है कि कैसे आया ये. So you sold 9,000 chocolates at the price of 120. So you made a sales of 10,80,000.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now, what was your cost price? To buy this 9,000 chocolates, what was the cost? cost per chocolate? How much was it?
100.
100, right?
Yes, sir.
So 100, see, I'm linking it over here, 100. So when you purchase that chocolate, there's one question. Sir, I have one question from your last workshop. How can I find the right company and sector for financial modeling? Okay, Dhatia, okay. How can I find the right company and sector for financial modeling? More importantly, how can I identify the actual problem or opportunity of the company or company? So Dhatia, Aditya, sorry, I think I'm not sure what your name is. So you can, get it. We do usually morning calls. In morning calls, we usually talk about sectors. So it's a very difficult question to answer right away that, which company to select. It is not that right. The company is not right. You have to select the industry. And from that industry, how do you understand the industry? And from that industry, you have to find the stock. It's never a company that is to be selected. So we discussed this in our mentorship program that how we do it, and then we place also students on that basis that you should understand the industry and then make a model. It's not that you like any company and you start making model on it. Okay, fine. Okay, so Rishikesh, cost price 9,000, price 100. So 10 lakh 80,000 is what you sold, and 9 lakh was your cost, correct?
Yes, sir.
But you will say, sir, the cost money that you spent was how much?
10
10
lakhs.
And you wrote a cost of 9 lakhs. How it is possible? Now, what is the difference of 1 lakh?
Sir, I bought 9,000 chocolates, so that's why it's showing 9 lakhs.
Because
Huh.
see, when you talk about profits, can you say that, sir, I bought 9,000 chocolates, but you will take the price of the entire 10,000 chocolates? Is that the right way to do?
No.
No. Because pricing is this, you made 20 rupees per chocolate, you have made a profit. But now what about the additional 1,000 chocolates that are remaining? What are those?
Closing stock.
Closing stock. Now, closing stock is now this is your asset with you.
Yes, sir.
So out of the 10 lakhs that you have spent, so the entire 10 lakh wasn't your expense. 9 lakh was your expense because you have sold it, and 1 lakh is still remaining with you, and that is your asset.
Yes, sir.
Assets are something that has
Value.
value. That's right. Basic example. Never to forget in the life. Assets are something that has value.
Value.
What about car? Is an expense or an asset?
Asset.
Asset. Ideally, it is an expense. Correct. Ideally, car is also said to be an expense, practically. Because when you say assets are something that increase your value, does your car value increase?
No, sir.
Does your
Decreases.
mobile value increases?
No, sir.
So why it is called an asset? It is because it has some value still left in it. That is the only reason it is called assets. Assets that usually increases in value are usually called financial assets. Stocks, gold, real estate.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Assets usually which financial assets which helps you increase your value. Okay. So usually I also define my personal, if I take a car, it is of, though it's an asset, but it is of no use to me. It is not generating revenue for me.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Same way, see now in my business, I am also using a laptop. Asset or an expense?
Asset.
It's an asset. Asha, but is it generating money for me?
No.
No. It is not something that is generating money. It is helping me to generate money. It is helping me to generate money. So it will not have the definition that assets are something that helps you increase the value. No, it's totally wrong. Those assets are different. Those are financial assets that help you increase the value. Specifically land, real estate, stocks, bonds, gold, and whatever things that increases value, commodities and all. The rest all why they are called assets is because they have some value left in it. Okay. So now you said you have 1,000 chocolates remaining with you, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you want to write it on the books, how will you write it? Okay. How will you write it?
Hmm.
Now will you write it?
Chocolates
Okay.
less sold 9,000, remaining 1,000.
So I will always write a note to it. Notes to
Oh,
accounts. You must have heard about it.
yes.
Notes to accounts. It is just notes. It is like just giving a bifurcation that how did you get that 1,000? Give me in numbers. Okay.
Okay.
So what I do is, so you must have got this opening balance, correct?
Yes, sir.
Opening balance. So now again, this is not accounts. It is like your wallet. You have your wallet with you,
Yes, sir.
right? You must, so there must be some money in it. Let's say there is no money today. Okay. There's no money in it. You're going out. You ask your dad that, Dad, I want some money in it. Let's say the opening balance was zero. Let's say your dad gave you 500 rupees. Okay. And you, let's say, spent some 200 rupees. How much is
Yes.
remaining?
300.
300. So how it is opening plus add minus sold. Achha, now, next day, how much is there in your bank? In your, sorry, in your wallet? 300.
300. Yes, sir.
Your dad gave you more 100. And you
400.
spent 300.
100
Right?
remain.
It is remaining. Again,
100.
is this accounts? Is this accounts?
No.
Okay, so same concept. How many chocolates were there at the start? Zero. Right? How much did you purchase for the first year? First was zero.
10,000. Huh.
10,000 chocolates. Okay.
Yes.
10,000 you purchased.
Yes.
At what price?
100. Yes.
So 10 lakh. Achha, how much did you sold? 9,000
9,000.
at the Achha. Now you sold it at the price of 120. Should I write 120 over here?
Yes, sir.
Think. You are now giving me, तुम मुझे ना हिसाब दे रहे हो ऋषिकेश कि
हाँ.
तुम्हारे पास कितने चॉकलेट्स बचा, उसका कॉस्ट कितना है.
Okay. So I will write 100 only.
ना बिकॉज यू आर जस्ट गिविंग मी एन हिसाब की चॉकलेट्स कितने. यू आर नॉट टेलिंग मी प्रॉफिट कितना हुआ, लॉस कितना हुआ.
Hmm.
क्योंकि डैड 100 चॉकलेट्स हमने खरीदे थे, 10,000 चॉकलेट्स खरीदे थे, अभी 9,000 चॉकलेट्स मैंने बेच दिए, तो उसका कितना कॉस्ट था?
9 lakh.
9 लाख. तो अभी हमारे पास कितने चॉकलेट्स बचे हैं?
1 lakh.
1,000. तो कितने के वो?
हाँ.
1 लाख के.
वो 1
करेक्ट.
lakh के है. हाँ.
1 लाख के हमारे पास इतने चॉकलेट्स बचे हैं.
बचे.
यहाँ पे 120 नहीं. क्यों? क्योंकि ये कॉस्ट नहीं है, ये तुम
हाँ.
मुझे हिसाब दे रहे हो. यू आर गिविंग एन हिसाब टू योर डैड. ओके.
Yes.
यू आर मेकिंग एन अकाउंट. सो वो इसी को बोलते हैं हिसाब को. इंग्लिश में आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज द वर्ड, बट इट इज अकाउंट भी बोलते हैं. हिसाब देना मतलब व्हाट गिव यू अकाउंट, बट दैट इज वेरी कॉम्प्लिकेटेड वर्ड. हिसाब रखना. तो कॉमर्स इज नथिंग बट हिसाब रखना. एंड ये सब लोग करते हैं. इट्स नॉट ओनली कि तुम कॉमर्स से हो इसके लिए तुमको आना चाहिए. Is there anything to do with commerce?
No, sir.
Can I teach it to a 10th standard old? 10th स्टैंडर्ड में था, उसको भी सिखा सकता हूँ मैं.
Yes, sir.
क्या था? सिर्फ कितना पैसा आया, कितना गया.
Hmm.
Okay. So you are now smart. You are Zen Alpha, right? Yes, Alpha. So 1,000. So this is like 1 lakh chocolate which is remaining there. So what I will do is I will make this red because I have hard coded this. Okay. Make this red. Okay. This again red. This was linked, so I will not make it red. So this 9,000. Okay, let me do it again. We set quantity, selling quantity. Can I say 9,000? Link this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
One. Okay. Now this shouldn't be red. This should be black because it is linked. So what is the price that you sold?
120.
Okay. So that I will write in red. Okay. 10 lakh 80. Cost. What is the quantity?
Quantity 10,000.
Cost price. If selling quantity is 9,000, how can you take a cost quantity of 10,000?
1,000.
No. What is the cost? Now selling price was, see, Rishikesh, if you are selling 9,000 chocolates, can you take a cost of 10,000 chocolates?
No, no.
No, no.
Selling also 9,000. Cost
9,000.
also 9,000.
Also 9,000. And what is the cost that you purchased?
100.
100.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now this is how Now, since I have already put the formula over here, what I'll do is copy it. Okay.
Yes.
10 lakh minus gets you 1 lakh T. Can I say this is your profit?
Yes, sir.
Right? Profit for the year. So I have created a notes to accounts, right? I have created a P&L account. Okay. Now what is remaining?
Balance sheet.
Sorry, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Can you see my screen?
Uh, no, sir.
No. Okay, sorry. How about now?
Yes, sir. I can see it now.
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So I've made a P&L statement. I have made a notes to accounts. Now what is remaining is the cash flow statement. Okay. Now I will just make a cash flow statement in a better way. Okay. The cash flow statement over here. The cash flow is nothing but your bank account. Okay. Who gave you the money to start your business? Your father?
Yes, sir.
So can I say it is 60 lakhs it gave? You have your own capital.
1 lakh.
That is 1 lakh. What you did with that money?
Fried chocolates.
Purchased first a
Chocolate.
shop.
Yes.
First purchase a shop is equal to minus
50.
lakhs. So this all things I will do it in red. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. This
Uh,
chocolate. So I had made a notes over here for chocolates.
yes, sir.
Right. Notes for chocolates. So what is the price of the chocolates that you purchased? Purchased
10 lakh.
chocolates.
10 lakh.
Now 10 lakh is equal to this amount,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Hmm.
Okay. Now 10 lakh plus or minus?
Minus.
Minus 10 lakhs. Purchase chocolate. Now what you did after purchasing?
Sold.
Sold. So I will write sales. Okay. What price did you sell? Total
S- 10 lakh 80,000.
10 lakh. It is over here. 10 lakh
Yes.
80. Anything else that you did?
No.
No. Done.
Yes,
So
sir.
your
Done.
closing balance is equal to sum. How much is it? You have 11 lakh 80,000 in your bank account.
Yes, sir.
Right? Closing balance. Okay, cash at bank. So what are the closing balances that you have? You have 1 lakh rupees chocolate with you. You have 11 lakh 80,000 worth of cash with you. You also have anything else that you have?
Stop.
Stock. No, that is what closing stock. So now just we'll start again. Sources of funds. Who are your sources of funds?
Father.
That second father.
Huh.
Okay. And you own your own self, right?
Yes, sir. On
So
capital.
now I will link it from, okay, let's say, I will put it 6 lakhs.
Sir,
Ah,
I had doubt. That red things which we have done, we have done
Mhm.
it to link it. Yes,
No, red things are assumptions.
Okay.
your screen is not visible. Yes.
Is it visible now?
Give it a second. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Huh.
Yeah. So red things are our assumptions. These are all random numbers I'm giving you, right? They're all
Huh.
assumptions. Okay. So now we'll start from over here. So this will be, I put it red, 60 lakhs.
Hmm.
Own capital was how much? 1 lakh.
1 lakh. Huh.
Okay. These are red figures. Now
Yes.
I will link this. 60 lakhs will be linked from balance sheet. 1 lakh will be linked from. So these are just random numbers that I gave you. Okay.
Yes,
Just
sir.
random numbers that I gave you. So when you make, obviously you will get it everything in the balance sheet. So you need to
Hmm.
know where to link numbers from. So everything you should link it from the balance sheet. Okay. 60 lakhs. 60 lakhs is the cash. And this is own capital 1 lakh. Correct?
Yes, sir.
These are sources of funds. Okay, what was the application of funds?
Shop.
Shop, which is remaining with you.
Yes.
How much was it?
50 lakh.
50 lakh. Okay. That's 50 lakhs. Okay. And chocolates.
Chocolates.
Chocolates, which are remaining chocolates, which is around 1 lakh.
1 lakh remaining to.
Okay. And anything else?
Cash at bank.
That bank is around 11 lakh 80,000.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else is remaining? All things
No.
done.
Yes.
Right. 62 lakhs. But now here it is only 61 lakhs.
Balance
What
sheet is
about
not telling.
so the difference is
Balance is 1,80,000.
what about this figure?
Add net profit.
So what is this? Sources
Net
of funds or
profit.
application of funds?
Sources of fund. We need to add
Sources
it
of
in capital.
you add it in capital because this is also a capital that you have generated.
Yes, sir.
Valid.
Huh.
So usually when you talk about balance sheet, it is always through notes. So this is one note. The closing you put it in the balance sheet. This is again one note where the closing is put over here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now this closing. Now shop also we make a notes to account for shop. Let me make it. Okay. So in asset under assets, I will put all assets. So I will also put for notes for shops. Okay. Okay. Now shop again same opening balance add so okay same thing. Opening was 0. What is that you purchase?
Shop 50.
50 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 50 lakhs is what you purchase. And sold. You don't sell your asset usually. It is said to be depreciated. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Assets are. I will come. If you don't know, fine. As of now, give it 0. Tell you what is that depreciation. Okay. Later on. 50 lakhs. So what happens is 50 lakhs from C. I'm linking it over here. 50 lakhs. This 50 lakh that I've purchased, it should all come from my notes to accounts. Everything should come from my notes. So if you see all my thing, apart from this too, this also we make a note for it, but that will make later on.
Okay.
Okay. So this is one note that's coming from this note. Shop coming from this note. Chocolates is coming from this note. And cash is coming from. So for balance sheet, every item that is shown in the balance sheet we need to know where exactly the 1 lakh is coming from, where exactly the 11 lakh 80,000 is coming from. This is how the financial models are
Yes.
made. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right. Now, can you make this? Because now I just have to change the red numbers. Automatically, everything else will change. Want to see? Let's say, what if I do, rather than 9,000, I do 8,500. And now you tell me what all things will change. If I do, out of 9,000, I do 8,500. What all things will change on the
Closing
balance sheet?
balance.
Closing balance will change.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Huh.
So anything on the P&L will change.
The cost price and the
The selling price will change. Selling
yes, sir.
quantity will change
Yes, sir. Quantity will change.
because now I'm selling how many? Only 8,500. Correct?
Yes.
Sikesh, you there?
Yes, sir.
I was
Am
saying
I
that.
audible?
Are you audible? Yeah.
Yeah.
I was saying that 8,500. Can I say now selling will only be 8,500, not 9,000? Sell price.
Yes, sir.
So this will change.
Yes, sir.
If this changes, can I say the cost price will also change?
Yes, sir. Cost price will also
Cost will also change.
yes.
This and this change, so your profitability
Profit will
will
change.
So if profit change, can I say this profit will change?
Yes, sir.
So chocolates get impacted, profits get impacted. Acha, what about the cash flow? Now sales will be lower.
Yes, sir.
If sales are lower, then closing price will also be lower. So bank account will also change.
Yes, sir.
So with just one change, this three items are having an impact. Just look at. Acha, will shop change? Will shop 50 lakh will change? Has that anything to do with the shop?
No.
No. Acha, is anything to do with the capital that your dad gave you?
No.
No, because obviously it is given. This money has been given. Now see, 8,500. Everything changed. This all three things, but your balance sheet still
Tallies.
tallies. This is called financial modeling.
Okay.
Okay. This is usually the linkages of statement is called financial modeling. Financial modeling is not valuation. It is not something that you use for valuation. It is something you understand the linkages between P&L, balance sheet, and cash flows. Okay, it is the understanding of P&L, balance sheet, and the cash flows.
Cash flows.
So now quickly, because there is one more part on this before we wrap up, that depreciation. Okay, now what do you understand by depreciation? You must have also heard this word, no?
Yes,
Being
sir.
a commerce student, what is depreciation?
Sir, depreciation is a charge which is charged on asset on every year, which decreases the value of asset. The wear and tear of an asset is called a depreciation. The
Okay.
uh,
Acha, what is Rishikesh if this has been asked to you by a younger sibling who is in 10th standard? Can you give
so
this example?
I will explain him like I have bought a car for 1 lakh, suppose 1 lakh. So I used it for a 1 year. So as I use it, its value gets decreases to 90,000. So there is a 10% depreciation charged in it, charged on it. This is called as depreciation because the depreciation is charged as we use the asset.
Okay. So if I ask you now, my second question comes that why only 10,000? Why not 20,000?
So I assumed the value.
Whatever it is.
Huh.
Let's say you have a bike, a bike of 1 lakh. Why did you assume 10,000? Then the question, why didn't you assume 20,000?
As I use for the for what time I use by that I
No, it is not. So, Acha. So, Rishikesh, if you use your bike only 100 kilometers a year, and I used 1,000 kilometers a year, so will the depreciation be same?
no.
It's a case. How it is? How will you define? So every time will you define? When you make accounts, will you go and ask your dad that how much kilometer did you run?
No,
So your dad's bike will be depreciate different value, and my bike will depreciate different value. Is it?
no, sir. We will
So
use
how
a
is it?
straight line method.
No. So how is it? Yeah, right. That methods are fine, but the depreciation. What is depreciation? When you say a shop, let's say talk about a car.
Hmm.
Let us say you bought a car of 10 lakh rupees. Okay. Now, Rishikesh, what is the life of a car in India? Usually, minimum life of a car.
5 to 6 years.
5 to 6 years. 10 years.
Okay, 10 years.
Okay. So I'm saying after 10 years, the car won't be of any use.
Yes,
It will
sir.
be scrapped. Okay. So, Rishikesh, if I say you bought a car for 10 lakh and you're using it for the next 10 years. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So per year, how much are you spending?
Spending?
Per year, how much? Let's say, can I say after 10 years, you will buy one more car?
Yes, sir.
Right? Let's say. So 10 years you're using a car. So if I ask you, Rishikesh, so what was the expense for the car this year? Can you say 10 lakh? I spent the entire 10 lakh. Did you spend this year?
No.
So every year, how much do you spend on the car that it becomes zero at the age of 10?
10,000, 10,000, 10,000. Like this.
1 lakh. 1 lakh.
Sorry, 1 lakh, 1 lakh, 1 lakh.
Straight question, Rishikesh, again. If you are using your mobile phones for 90,000 for 3 years, okay. Per year, how much do you spend on mobile?
30,000.
30,000. Correct?
By
using for 3 years, so per year, how much are you spending?
30,000.
You know what is that 30,000? Depreciation. So here, if I say the life of the car is 10 years, means it is the amount that you spend every year on a specific item. That is depreciation. It is that simple.
Yes.
Rather than having this much big explanation, depreciation is something that you have spent every year on the specific asset.
Yes, sir.
You say that it is depreciating in value, etc. But the question comes, will your bike depreciate at different level and my bike depreciate at different level? No. Both bike will it depends on it doesn't depend on the use, because the life of the car is 5 years. Okay. You also cannot, even if you have, if you say, sir, I only drive 100 kilometers, at the end of 10 years, it will not be in existence. You cannot drive a 10-year-old bike. Okay. So depreciation is nothing but the expenses that you do per year on the asset. The value that you spend per year on the asset. That is what is depreciation. This is that basic to understand. And then you can give this example, sir. In fact, if I'm using a car for 10 years, which is costing for 10 lakh, so obviously per year I'm only spending 1 lakh on the car. So here I will say 1 lakh. Now, now what is the life of a shop?
Shop 25, 30 years.
25, 30 years? Okay, so just to keep the calculation simple, I will take 25 years. Okay. So tell me, if I am spending 50 lakhs for next 25 years, so per year how much I'm spending?
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs.
But it is an appreciation, right? For
No,
the shop.
assuming, see, now in accounts, you always, because shop, have you purchased with the purpose of selling it?
No.
You are using the shop, right?
Yes.
So usually we will not write that it will appreciate. That's different. Because now let's say, Rushika, you are staying in a house.
Hmm.
Now that house, let's say you purchased for 50 lakhs and now it is increasing to 5 crore, example. Are you selling it?
No.
No. So it is your cost now, because it is your running cost. You are using that. You know what happens after 50 years? Possibly your no, your building will get old, your
Yes.
furniture will get old, you need to replace it, right? Because you're not selling it. So usually on accounts, it is reported at cost. And you don't know how much it will increase. But you know that after 25 years, you need to buy another property. What if it, let's say, Vishek, again, an example that you are doing a business, now it's 40 years for your building. They said that it should be redeveloped. Right? Now, can I say you need to buy another building? At
No.
least to run the business? At least to run the business?
Yes.
Correct, huh? Because that business is gone.
Yes.
So usually it is assumed that the shop and all get depreciated because the building get depreciated, the materials get depreciated. If it was land, then there is no depreciation on it. Because land is the only asset that you use and still its value increases.
Yes,
But
sir.
buildings is always your value gets on depreciating. The land has a value, the building doesn't, the walls doesn't have a value.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what is this 2 lakh? What is this 2 lakh? Income, expense, asset, liability.
It is a expense.
Expense?
Huh.
So can I write in the expense column
Yes, sir.
here? Acha, how did I got this 2 lakh? I put this 25 years, 50 divided by 25. Okay.
Sir, can you tell me how to make the red to make the thing red?
Red is you just put dear color. You can go and change the number. Sorry, change the color over here.
Okay.
You can see yellow.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, okay. Now can I say depreciation 2 lakh? Okay.
Yes, sir.
And I will minus it, right? Is equal to, always is equal to selling price minus cost price minus depreciation. You see there is a difference which came over here. Now it is, before adding this, there was a difference of 2 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Acha, now did my cash reduce? Did my cash reduce?
No, sir.
Did I pay depreciation to anyone?
No.
You didn't pay depreciation, correct? So can I say that depreciation was already paid in this 50 lakhs?
Yes.
That 2 lakh is a part of 50 lakhs, right?
Yes.
Right now. So this is what, sorry. Now depreciation is something that reduces the value of the assets, fine. But that is what where you use the asset. The cost required to use the asset yearly. The cost required to use the asset yearly is a
Yearly
depreciation.
basis.
So now you can use it. So now what happens that straight line, WDV, it depends on the use of the asset. Example for that, if I take a mobile phone is depreciated quite fast because its value decreases quite fast.
Yes, sir.
For example, shop, the value decreases very slowly. Okay. You know, the point you take the car out of the showroom, its values are decreasing.
Yes.
But a new house, the value doesn't start depreciating. Your land doesn't get depreciated quickly. Or your house. That is the while writing for house, you do WDV. But while doing for straight line, for doing for other, in finance, we usually use straight line.
Yes, sir.
WDV, double declining, straight line are a part of accounting used for taxation. It has nothing to do with finance. Because तुम WDV वाला भी करो तो 5 साल बाद तुमको गाड़ी बदलनी है तो बदलनी ही है.
Yes, sir.
Because you cannot have car to be used for 100 years. Because with WDV, assets never get zero. It keeps on percentage on percentage on percentage. Okay. So what I want, Rishikesh, you to do this. I want you to prepare this. See, now we have got a loss of 30,000. Okay. So now, as an analyst, let's say you have to increase your profits. What should I change? Think. What should I change?
Like change.
Means
Sales.
you are doing a business, now you are
Huh.
suffering a loss. Okay.
Sales. We should increase our sales.
So how much can you increase your sales?
Uh,
So should I increase the price or should I increase the quantity?
Quantity.
So how much quantity can I increase? Max
Max to max 1000.
10,000.
Yes.
Right now, you cannot sell
Huh.
11,000 products, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot sell 11,000 chocolates because you only have 10,000 chocolates with you.
10,000 chocolate.
Right?
Hmm.
So can I say you sold 9,500 chocolates?
Hmm.
Still there is a loss of 10,000. You see, balance sheet is telling, huh? Still there is a loss. Now what will you do?
10,000.
That is the max you can do.
No
But have you
profit,
ever
no
seen?
loss.
But Rishikesh, have you ever seen
Huh.
a shop empty?
No,
Have you ever seen a grocery shop empty?
no.
So can I say you have to keep
Something.
inventories with you?
Yes,
Because
sir.
if you don't keep an inventories, next month how will you sell? Right. So you cannot sell the entire inventory. Okay. This is the one that you have to at least keep na 1,500 chocolates with you. Because what if someone comes and asks you for chocolates? You need to have this with you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what? Now what can I do? What can you do extra? Increase the price?
Yes, sir. Increase the price. That's only option.
Go at 150.
Hmm.
Okay. See, hit
Profit.
profit already. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or else what you can do is another option is you buy more inventory and sell more inventory. That can also do.
Yes, sir.
You can say you can buy 15,000 inventories and sell 9,000. Okay, let's say you sell 9,500. Sorry, you sell 12,000. Correct? Then also you are making a profit.
Profit.
Either you buy more, either you increase the selling price. What is more simple? To increase the price? Sorry, what is more practical? To increase the price or to sell more quantities? As a business owner, what should you do? Think.
Increase the price.
So if I increase the price, so Rishikesh, I sell my course for 20,000. Correct?
Yes, sir.
What if I sell it for 2 lakhs? Will you buy?
Nobody will buy.
Nobody will. So if I want to increase my, because competition is also there, no?
Yes, sir.
So you just cannot increase the price as and when you want. What can you do from your end?
Uh, I can more increase the sales or
You tell me,
buy
what
more
can I do?
inventory. You
What can I
can
do as a professor, as a business owner to increase my sales? Should I target
marketing.
new students or should I increase the price?
No, you should market your course.
Market more
Uh,
products, right? Or
yes,
maybe
sir.
market or try to have more students.
Yes.
So this is what it is. So you cannot exactly change the price because this is the competitive price. If I give you a dairy milk of 100 rupees, dairy milk for 200 rupees, will you buy?
No.
No. No. So usually it is the quantity that you buy. So to buying this inventory is also you need to require money. No? Now so
Yes,
you
sir.
have cash. Okay. What if you had a problem? What if, see,
Hmm.
what if the property was costing 60 lakhs? Okay. What if the property was costing 60 lakhs? Not 60 lakhs. The property was costing, let's say, 65 lakhs. Now what happened? Let's say this property was costing 65 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you see, the cash becomes negative.
Yes, sir.
What does it mean?
Loss.
No, loss, so it's fine. Loss is over here. But you are
More
saying
loan.
you got 61 lakhs money and you are
But
purchasing a property of 65 lakhs. How it is possible?
4 lakhs of loan.
So you need to have at least a loan
Yes.
or else this purchase of chocolates. you cannot do this, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot, so you have to take a loan. Or you can also do something like, okay, if you reduce the inventory also, it will help. If you reduce the inventory to this, still it is a loss. So you have to take a loan to fund this. Correct?
Yes, sir.
See, now it's happening with just a click. And if you see, I am only changing the red numbers. I am not changing any other number on the balance sheet. Because if I change any other numbers, my model will delink. Automatically, everything is tallying.
Sir.
Now, what I want, you share your screen.
Okay.
I give you some items, these only items, and you should create this balance sheet, say bank account, balance sheet, and post. So you start from creating notes.
Okay.
First, you create a note, then you create. So I will give you. This is first you create notes, then you create P&L, then you create your bank account, and then the last is your balance sheet. Okay, this is how you create. Okay, so 3 and 4 will go hand in hand because you will write your sources of funds over here.
Yes.
Okay, now you share your screen. You share your Excel.
Is my screen visible?
It's visible. That's it. That's it. Now you start writing from A column. Okay. A column. Okay. Capital. Capital from father, you can write. Capital from father. Oh, that's fine. That's fine.
Yes, sir.
In the B column,
Yes, sir.
50 lakhs. 50 and then more 5 zeros. Total 6 zeros.
Yes, sir.
Then enter. So now whenever you enter, it should have commas. Change that. I am not getting how much is it? 5 lakhs, 3 lakhs. So how you press this? How do you change it?
Sorry, here I need to change, right?
No. You see the in where general is written, you can see my lines.
Yes, sir. That red line,
Click
right?
that.
Yes.
Click that. That line. Click that. You get commas. Correct?
Yes.
Now when you get
Yes.
commas, you need to remove this 2 dots. So you press this 2 times. Remove the dots.
Okay.
Okay. Correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now you write chocolates. No, sorry, shop.
Shop.
Shop. 30 lakhs. No, first you enter. First press enter. Now keep the cursor there. Okay, shop of 30 lakhs. Achha, years, right? 30 years. Total life of the shop, 30 years. That's the life.
Should I write?
Right. Life,
Right.
30 years. Just write 30. No, 30 in the B column.
Okay.
But no, just write 30. Just write 30. Okay. Now, chocolates. Purchase chocolates. Leave one line right on the fifth line. 6, 6. Right on 6. Right on 6. Chocolates is what you purchase. Okay. The chocolates. Okay. So now first you write quantity and price. QTY and price. Up on 5, row 5, row 5.
Okay.
QTY. That's it.
quantity, and
Price.
price.
Price. The next column. Price.
Okay.
Okay.
Huh.
So this is chocolates purchased, right? Chocolates purchased.
Year, no?
Yeah, chocolates purchased. Let's say you purchased 10,000 quantity, same.
Okay.
10,000 quantity at price 50, right? 50. Yeah, again, when you write 10,000, comma. Again, once again, you can also use shortcut key to do that. So keep the cursor on 10,000. Press Alt.
Alt.
When you press Alt, you see this alphabets are over here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we know it is in home. So press H. Press H.
H. Huh.
No, no. Control again press Alt.
Alt.
Alt. H.
H.
So it gets open. So now we want this figure, right? What is it? K. If you press K, it will automatically give you the press K, Alt H K.
Yes, sir.
See? Now
Yes, sir.
press this.
Okay.
Okay. With your mouse to remove the dots. Okay. And so Alt H K. Just remember, if you want to put some commas, then Alt H K, and then you can remove this. How much is it? 10,000 for 50 rupees. What is the price?
Sir, hello?
Hello. Yeah.
Sir, actually, you were not clearly audible. That
Okay.
Alt.
It's done. Now what? Now you have to make the amount over here, right? An amount, huh?
Yes, sir.
So how much is 10,000 for 50? So how much is the total cost?
5 lakh.
So you have to write in D.
Yes,
So
sir.
you don't have to write 5. You don't have to write. Is equal to. Go in D. 10,000
Into
multiply. Multiply. Enter. Okay. 5.
Yes.
Okay. Now
Sir,
come down over here. Sorry.
huh.
Sorry.
Sir, here we should, what should we write here?
So we will do it in the notes to accounts. Here it is just
Okay.
I'm just giving you a rough. I'm giving this is a question for you. Okay.
Okay.
You have to then solve it.
Okay.
Okay. Now chocolates. Now chocolates sold.
Okay. Here.
Chocolates. Just write chocolates sold. I'm saying out of 10,000, you sold 7,500 chocolates. Right, 7,500. No, comma first. Alt HK.
Alt H.
K. What is
Alt
Alt
H
K.
and K.
No. What are you pressing? I think you are pressing something different. Alt
First
H.
Alt.
First Alt.
H.
H. No, you are not pressing H. What is happening?
Alt H K. Done.
Okay.
And this one. Done.
So you sold 7,500 chocolates for 100, 90 rupees. Okay, 90. 90 is equal to 7,500 into 90. 6 lakh 75.
Huh.
Now, this is the only questions that you have. Okay.
Okay.
This is the only question that you have.
Hmm.
Now, first thing that you do is prepare a notes to accounts for chocolates.
Okay. Here.
How many chocolates remaining? First, make go down now. Notes to chocolates.
More down.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay, fine.
Okay. Notes to chocolate.
We said notes to accounts. Okay. Okay, whenever it is notes, what we do is opening, addition,
Huh.
sell, and closing.
Yes.
This is what you write. So,
So
below that, below notes to chocolate only you write.
opening,
Opening,
closing.
opening now. Then, assuming your wallet
Huh.
is your day. So,
Hmm.
once you start your day with, now what you
Hmm.
do, you add money,
Hmm.
you spend, and then closing. Okay.
Yes.
Opening, then add.
Add.
Acha, Rushikesh, whenever you do this, one thing I would like to tell you. See,
Huh.
when you're starting opening, so why the O is in small? It should be capital, right? Whenever you start something, never do that. Okay. Always. Shift 10 O. Okay. Same way add. Do it add. You should always maintain this. Okay.
Okay.
Then less. So now what I'll do is shift 10 L. No. Why the others are also capital? Others should be. So for doing one word capital, Rishikesh, you have to press L.
Yes, sir.
Sorry, you have to press shift. You have to press
Yes,
shift,
sir.
sorry. Shift
Yes, sir.
10 L. That you know, no?
Yes, sir. Actually, accidentally, I just did
Okay,
that.
fine.
Huh.
Close it. Close it.
Closing. So this
So
N should
whenever
be
I
also.
also
Yes.
capital, yes. N should be capital, T should be capital, chocolate should be, C should be capital. Okay.
Huh.
Okay. Now, what was the opening chocolates? Quantity and price. Sir. Quantity, price.
Quantity and price.
Yeah. QTY.
Yes.
So now also Q should be capital. Price P should be capital. Okay. Opening. Opening is 0. There's no opening.
Yes.
Press enter. Press enter. Add. Now, how much was the amount that we purchased? Quantity was 10,000.
10,000.
Now write 10,000.
Alt H.
Hey, first write. First write and then you have to press enter. Because the cursor
Okay.
is still on the writing part. Press enter first.
Huh.
Now press alt X. Okay. So now that 10,000 should be in, since you have punched it, and it should be in red.
Okay.
The 10,000 should be in red. It was already there, na, red color. Fine. Again, 50. 50 is also in
Red.
No, first you have to put it, first you have to press enter and then only do. No, see now, Rishikesh, either red already है ना ऊपर. So every time that you see underline underneath A,
This one, sir.
you are finding already red. तो हाँ, तो red already है ना यहाँ
हाँ
पर.
हाँ.
You have to click it again. बस एक बार click करना है. और कुछ.
Okay.
If I say now do it black, now will you do? Now do it. Let's say I tell 50 do it black. कैसे करोगे now? Press this. Same.
हाँ.
Now do it black. Okay. There is black.
Yes.
Press it. Press it once. So see now here the things have changed to black.
हाँ.
Now every time you put it now this, it will go black. Now do it red over here. Do it red. Again do it red. Fine. Okay. Now here, what you will do?
Multiply.
Multiply.
This
Okay.
one
Now
also.
don't use your mouse. Don't use your mouse. What happened? Sorry.
This one also in red.
No, that is not it. Because
Oh.
reds are things which you have hard coded it. Now there is a formula over here, right?
Hmm.
And see, it's a formula over here. There's a
Yes,
formula
sir.
in this shape, right? So that should
Yes.
not be red.
Okay.
So now don't use your mouse. Just use your arrows. Okay, just use your arrows.
Huh.
Go up with the arrows in near this price, this column. Use your arrow. Write amount. Now to write amount, what you just press shift and A and then you start writing. Okay, do it.
Shift and A.
And start writing. Directly you start writing amount. Okay,
Huh.
enter. Enter.
Huh.
Okay, now come down in the less column. Here.
Yes, sir. Okay.
With your arrows only.
This arrow is not
The
working.
quantity, we have to press quantity less. How much you
Huh.
sold? 7,500.
7,500.
So just write 7,500. Enter.
Yeah.
Now using your went up. Now what do you do? Alt H key.
Yes, sir.
Now you can reduce the decimal with the mouse.
Huh.
Okay. Now use your arrows only. Now go on to price column. What is the price that you sold?
Price sold 90.
90.
Huh.
So write 90.
Yes.
Enter. Okay, now you know that this both the columns are to be done in red, right?
Yes, sir.
Now you have to select it. No, don't select with your mouse.
Okay.
Keep your arrows. Keep your arrows. Press on 90. Press shift and press the left arrow. Shift. Press the left arrow. हाँ हो गया बोथ दोनों सिलेक्ट हो गया.
हाँ.
अभी माउस से जाके वो रेड करो ऊपर. बस क्लिक इट वंस. Okay. Now with your keyboard only go on to the this column. Because now you have to put a formula over here, right? So go with your mouse. No, sir, not with your mouse. With your keyboard.
So shift plus.
No, with your arrows. No, normal. No, it is done. No, now it is done. Now normal with your arrows.
Yes.
Okay. Now that 5 lakh, what you do is, now you don't have to do again multiplication. This is one is already done, no? The multiplication.
Yes, sir.
So go on 5 lakh with your arrows. Control C. Control C, that is copy.
Yes, sir.
Come down with your arrows. Enter.
Done.
Done. And okay, now you tell me
Hmm.
which price should I write? Should you write 90 or should you write 50? Because now you are making notes. You are not making profitability, right?
Huh.
So what is the amount should be written over here?
Here should be written 90.
Now see, ऋषिकेश तुम मुझे हिसाब दे रहे हो,
हाँ
तुमने
हाँ
5 लाख का माल खरीदा और
हाँ
तुम बोलते हो मैंने 6.75 का बेचा, पॉसिबल है?
नहीं।
नहीं ना।
हाँ हाँ
5 लाख का खरीदा तो उससे कम ही बेचा होगा या उतना ही बेचा होगा?
हाँ।
तुमने क्या गलत लिया यहाँ पे? क्वांटिटी तो बराबर लिया है।
हम्म।
ऐसे पूछ रहा हूँ कितने का माल बेचा। आई एम नॉट आस्किंग यू प्रॉफिट कितना कमाया, बिकॉज ये यू आर गिविंग, तुम तुम्हारे डैड को हिसाब दे रहे हो कि डैड
यस।
हमने टोटल 5 लाख की चीजें खरीदे थे, उसमें
हम्म।
से कितने के बेचे? तो 7,500 बेचे, वो कितने में पड़े तुमको 7,500? दिस शुड बी 50 नॉट 90।
Okay, this so
50
this
ना आउट ऑफ
should
योर,
uh,
दिस शुड बी लिंक टू द प्राइस अमाउंट।
so should I make it 50?
हाँ, but now
हाँ
link it. You don't purchase it, so you don't punch it, is equal to 50. Now what you do is use your, no, don't write. 50 is there now, already written. It is
हाँ
already there in the,
हाँ
so is equal to, use your arrows, go up,
हाँ
up arrow, enter. And 50.
yes
Now that 50 is red, वो red में नहीं होना चाहिए, that should be in black, because वो
okay
linked है ना.
हाँ
Go and change it to black. और यहाँ से जाके, now you have to press this. Okay.
sir but we sold 90 but we are not
हाँ,
accounting that
but
at this time.
but what are we doing? Are we making a profit and loss statement or are we making an accounts?
We are making an accounts.
We are not making a profit and loss statement as of now.
Huh.
So what are we saying? That we are purchased materials worth rupees 5 lakh.
Okay.
Out of that 5 lakh, how much you sold? 3 lakh 75.
Huh.
So how much is remaining? 1 lakh 25.
Huh.
Correct. But how is that derived? Out of 10,000 was at 50. 7,500 was also at 50. Because
Huh.
that is the cost. No? This is the cost price.
Yes
This is
sir.
not the selling price. So what is the cost price of 7,500? 50. Okay. Now closing price. Now closing amount. Here. What will
Huh.
you do? No,
Here.
don't use your mouse. Don't use your mouse. Only use
Okay.
your arrows. Is
Okay.
equal to. Is equal to.
Is equal
Keep your
to
arrow. Go and so use your
huh.
up arrow. So start from opening. Start from opening.
Okay.
Opening
Huh.
plus
Plus
plus.
just a second.
Huh.
Plus
Again, use your
huh.
arrows. Go up to 10,000. Go up 10,000. Correct. Minus.
uh,
Now only minus. No, you don't have to press shift.
minus
Minus. Again, use the upper arrow. Again, use the enter. Okay.
yes.
This is 2,500. Now we have to also do minus over here. Same thing over here. Same formula. This
Yes.
formula will be put over here. So we don't have to put it again. So on this, keep the cursor on this.
On 2,500.
2,500. Copy.
Huh.
Copy.
Huh.
Keep your enter. Done.
Yes sir.
Now since it is still moving, right? So you have to
Huh.
press escape. Press escape. Press escape.
Okay.
Now since you have added all these things, you have to make this entire line bold. Okay.
This
Because
this
now
one.
this is the calculation. This one.
Yes.
So what you do is
Huh.
keep your cursor over here.
Huh.
Now
Control C and shift
no.
to
Now you have to bold it. You just have to bold it.
only
this
that
control B.
closing.
Only the entire row you have to bold it. So what do you do?
So
Press. So you have to select the entire row.
huh.
So what is the shortcut to select the entire row? No, this is fine. This you can do it.
Huh.
Those are fine. But what if you have to select the entire row? Again,
That
press escape.
21, I will press at 21.
No, without mouse.
I don't think so.
Okay. Press escape. Press escape. I'll come down. Use your cursor to come down again. Now go on to closing again. Keep your cursor to the closing. Shift space bar.
Okay.
Right.
Huh.
And now Control V.
Control V. Control V. Why is it not happening?
Control V. Press Control and
B. Okay.
B for ball.
Yes.
Right? So B is for bold.
Yes, sir.
Okay. B is this one. B is for bold. Okay. This is how you do it. Okay. Now do the same thing for notes to shop. Now I will not help you. Do the same thing. Notes to shop.
Notes to chocolate.
No, chocolate is done. Now we also purchase a shop, right?
Okay. Same for notes. Notes to shop. Okay.
Shop. Copy. Yes, sir. Sorry.
New note. I need to
New
make
note.
a
New note. Yeah. New note. Yeah.
okay.
Make a new. So now in the shop, it will only be price. It will not be quantity. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you make it with the use of mouse. With the use of only keyboard. No mouse is to be used. Opening add less, you can just copy paste from there. Go up. No, don't use your mouse. Don't use your mouse. Press shift and come down. So now you can press shift and come down and select all. Now copy all. Again press Ctrl C. Come down with your arrows. Come down. Enter. Enter. So now still it is it is moving. You have to press escape or else वापस copy हो जाएगा. Press escape. Okay. So opening was 0. Yeah.
Opening 0.
No. What was that? How much we purchased? 30 lakhs, huh? 30 lakhs.
Yes, sir. Should we check once?
Check. It was 30 only, I think.
Yes, sir.
30 lakhs. No, first enter. First enter. Now alt edge. Okay. Now you have to do it red. Okay. Now this was depreciation. You can write it there. That's semicolon depreciation. So now here, now once again, you can also use it with your mouse. What you do is with your you can do it with your keyboard. Okay. How you do it? You're there on the press function F2. FN and F2.
FN and F2.
You see, now the cursor has moved over there.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now semicolon. Semicolon is where I think next to enter it is. Semicolon. Shift and semicolon. Colon, not semicolon. Colon. Right depreciation. D capital. Now to find depreciation, what we want years.
Yes, sir. 30 years.
Right. So come down. So that also you have to write it. Come down. After closing. After closing.
After closing.
You write years.
Yes.
Life. Life.
Life 30 years.
Yes.
In the
So
price column.
30 in the price column, yes. And that 30 should be in red. First write 30. No, first enter. Should not work. And bring that cursor and then go. Okay. Closing. And now how will you find depreciation?
Uh, third, for 1 year, 3 lakhs.
3 lakhs. So how you have to don't write 3 lakhs. So in front of depreciation,
Huh.
what do you do? In the front of depreciation,
We will write 3 lakhs.
bring your cursor over here.
Huh.
Is equal to, use your arrows, 30 lakhs on that.
Huh.
Divide by is the slash next to shift. This is the number next to shift. Question mark column. Divide by. Now again, bring with your arrows, come down. 30. Enter.
1 lakh.
Great. This is how you do it.
Okay.
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 Now closing will be is equal to
Is equal to
opening plus addition. Now what happened?
uh,
Do it again. Is equal to
minus
opening. Now also take start from opening on this.
huh.
Opening plus
Yes.
50 lakhs minus up arrow. And
20. Enter.
yes, 29. And now the entire row should be in bold. How will you do?
This
Entire
life or closing one.
closing. Because that has been calculated, no? Plus
Huh.
minus. Whenever you use plus and minus, that row should be bold.
Okay.
Okay. How will you do it?
Shift bar control B.
No. Press escape.
Huh.
Actually, if something like happens, you can also press Control Z or escape. Okay. If something happens like this.
Yes, sir.
Control B. Then
Yes, sir.
2 notes are prepared. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what we'll do? Now we will prepare our first is a balance sheet we'll prepare because we have to
Okay.
write 2 numbers there. Okay.
Hmm.
So go up. Achha, now to go at the start, you can press Control and the up arrow. It will automatically get you to the start. Okay.
Huh.
Okay, now we
Yes.
have already done.
Huh.
Now come to some J column or somewhere here. Okay. Yeah, somewhere. Okay. First you write balance sheet.
Huh.
You write balance sheet. Okay, now sources of funds and first is sources of fund. Right, sources of funds. New one column. and then go to application of funds.
At the right side.
Right side. Huh. Okay. And under sources of funds, the first is capital.
So here, yes.
Yes, yeah.
Capital.
The capital is 50 lakhs. 5 and 6 zeros.
Yes.
Enter. Right. Red. Now do it red because we have hard coded this. Okay. Okay. Now bank account. This is one only we get. Now go on to M column. M column. Achha, now first is profit and loss. Now okay. First is profit and loss. We'll just make profit and loss account. So on the M column, somewhere over here, write P&L statement. Over here, up. M for mango.
Sir, actually, this is coming between.
Sorry.
Just a second. Sir, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can.
So here.
Achha, Rishikesh, before
Hello.
that, save this file or save this file.
Yes.
I will turn the extra variable.
What name should I say?
Financial modeling and financial modeling.
Done. Sir. Hello.
Yeah. So now here P&L statement. Okay. P&L.
Yes. P&L. Should I write
P&L.
statement?
You can write yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what was the P&L sales price? Sales.
What, sir? Hello.
The sales.
Sir, you're not clearly audible.
Right. Sales.
Sales.
Sales over there, no? P&L statement what it comes? Sales and cost, right? Sales. Sales minus capital.
Sorry, sir, you went very
S
fast.
capital. Sales by S capital.
Yes. Sales.
Sales. How much was the sales this year? In the N column, what will you do? Now go to N. Always, Vishal, whenever you do now, just press enter. Whenever you write something, press enter. Then keep. Now go to N column. And what was sales? How much was it? So press equal to.
Equal to.
Where was
Huh.
it? Sales amount?
6,75,000.
No, sorry. No, sorry. Sorry. We can do it again. Quantity and price. Just like quantity and price above it.
In the n column.
In the n column. In the n column, quantity, price.
Price.
E capital. So sales, you can write it down. So when you have to write it down, what you do is cut and paste. Sales which you have written in M column.
Hello, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? Hello,
Yes,
I
sir.
can hear you.
Yes, sir.
I said Control X, Control and X.
Control
X
X.
for zeros.
Huh.
Keep your cursor here. Bring your cursor with your mouse with your arrows.
Huh.
Enter.
Control V.
So you can press enter directly.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
Huh.
Okay. Now quantity. What was the quantity? You can hard. Quantity was over here. See, this was red. So
Huh.
is equal to quantity is equal to link this up. Go and come and click over here. Enter. And this price. Now price is hard coded because it is an assumption.
Hmm.
So price will be 90. 90 this.
Yes, sir. We took 90.
Just write 90 there
Huh.
and make it red. First enter. First enter. In the cursor and do it red. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now amount. Go on the next column. Go further right.
P.
How much was it? How much was the amount now?
6,75,000.
Multiply. Multiply. You
Okay.
have to multiply.
Is equal to shift.
Into 19.
Why is it not coming, sir?
Sorry, go again.
Huh. Is equal to
7,500.
huh. Multiplication sign.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
I see where is your cursor. Left arrow, left arrow.
03.
And
Huh. It came.
okay, right. Now, what was your cost price?
5 lakh.
So you have to write, show me where is that 5 lakh coming from.
Okay. So here I should write cost price.
Cost price, yeah.
Should I link it?
Link, now always link, yes. Because note says what we have made, right? So now link. Where is the
Sir,
quantity?
is there any shortcut to go to the left, like we
No, with
have
your
got?
cursor only you have to, with your arrows only you have to go. No shortcut. Achha, now see why you have to go to left, because quantity is already there, na? Quantity 7,000 is already there, no? You can just link it, no? This one.
Cost price. Okay.
Cost quantity is the same, no? This quantity is the same, right?
Yes.
Is equal to, so the cost price is equal to 7,500. Yeah, and now what is the cost price?
50.
Yeah. So that you can link this. Okay. Then
Huh.
keep the cursor here
Hmm.
is equal to.
Hmm.
You can use your arrows. Can be quick. How fast?
50.
Enter.
Enter. Huh.
And move more right.
Huh.
Since you have already
Multiply.
put the formula over here,
Huh.
you have to just copy and enter.
I should copy, right?
Yes.
Huh. Yes.
Okay. Now there is one more cost,
Yes, sir.
depreciation. Right.
Huh.
So make that cost depreciation. Write depreciation below cost.
Huh.
Hmm. Yeah. So in the cost in the this last column.
What should I write here?
What is the depreciation? What was the depreciation?
One lakh.
So where was it? So you have to link that number wherever the cost
Huh.
was. First link, first you have to press is equal to there. No. Is equal to. Now where was the depreciation? Go there. And, enter. Go up. Where was in the M column? No, go up. Go in the sixth row.
Huh. Yes, it came.
Okay. Now what will be the profit? Here, find the profit.
Huh. So should I write here profit?
Profit, yes.
Huh. Equal to. Should I use this one, right?
Yeah. Don't use your mouse. Don't use your mouse. It's equal to use your arrows. Press the up arrow.
Plus
Minus.
minus.
Up arrow.
Hmm.
Again minus and up arrow. Again. No, first up arrow. 3,75,000. First do that minus. Go to 3,75,000.
The 3,75,000 one is done, na, sir?
No, it is not done. Now minus. Press minus. 1 lakh.
Enter.
Enter. Bold. So now only bold this much
Oh,
with your mouse. Sorry, with your arrows, not with your mouse. How will you do? Shift and select.
only the
Shift with only this one. What I have marked.
and
Enter. Sorry. Control B.
control B.
B for ball.
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, then yeah. So you got the closing figures. How many
Yes,
closing
sir.
figures you got? एक प्रॉफिट आया P&L स्टेटमेंट का.
हाँ, एक वो
एक का से
नोट्स से.
एक नोट से, दो नोट्स है ना हमारे पास.
हाँ, दो.
एक एक चॉकलेट के नोट से और एक
हाँ,
चॉप इसके नोट से. करेक्ट.
शॉप की.
चॉप के नोट से और एक हाँ चॉकलेट के नोट है. अभी हमको
हाँ.
चाहिए कैश.
हाँ,
बैंक में कितना बचा है पैसा.
बैंक
ना
अकाउंट.
क्विकली क्रिएट अ बैंक अकाउंट. उधर ही प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के बाजू में जाके क्रिएट करो. प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के बाजू में जाके नो लीव वन स्पेस ना, लीव वन कॉलम. राइट बैंक अकाउंट. Okay. So how many things you did? You took a capital.
यस सर.
So you took a capital first, right?
हाँ.
पहले कैपिटल लिया, फिर शॉप लिया, फिर
हम्म.
चॉकलेट्स लिए, फिर उसको बेचे. करेक्ट.
हम्म.
इतना ही किया और कुछ किया
यस सर. नहीं.
है ना. तो लिखो
नहीं.
कैपिटल फर्स्ट इज योर कैपिटल.
यस सर. कैपिटल.
कितना था
एंटर.
कैपिटल. कितना था कैपिटल.
कैपिटल था 50.
50 lakhs.
50 lakhs.
हाँ तो अभी वो
लिंक
बैंक अकाउंट में
करूंगा.
कुछ भी हार्ड कोड नहीं करना है. 50 lakhs है ना इधर. ये रेड वाला था 50 lakhs.
हाँ, हाँ.
तो इज इक्वल टू वो जाके लिंक करो. ठीक है. लिंक इट.
हम्म. यस सर.
ओके. फिर क्या था. यू परचेस्ड.
परचेज द शॉप.
हाँ तो
हाँ.
परचेस लिखो. परचेज द शॉप. अभी
30.
ना पैसा व्हेन यू परचेज द शॉप यू रिसीव द मनी और यू स्पेंड द मनी.
स्पेंड.
स्पेंड. हाँ तो इज इक्वल तो जब भी स्पेंड होता है तो इट शुड बी नेगेटिव साइन. ओके.
हाँ.
इज इक्वल टू नेगेटिव साइन पहले वहां पर डाल के रखो. इज
इक्वल
इक्वल
टू
टू
नेगेटिव.
नेगेटिव साइन.
हाँ.
हाँ अभी तुमने देखो कितना शॉप कितने में परचेस किया था नोट्स में. अभी सब कुछ नोट्स में देखना है. जाओ नोट्स में. कौन सा नोट्स था. शॉप का नीचे नीचे नोट में कितने का परचेस किया था शॉप.
30.
3 लाख का. हाँ तो बस वो लिंक एंटर.
हाँ.
ऊपर जाओ. हाँ.
हम्म.
है.
हाँ.
हाँ फिर अभी क्या किया है. परचेज या परचेज द
चॉकलेट्स.
चॉकलेट्स. परचेज चॉकलेट लिखो यहाँ पे परचेज चॉकलेट्स. चॉकलेट्स. एंटर.
हाँ.
गो ऑन टू द वो. हाँ. अभी हमें परचेज है तो माइनस होगा. करेक्ट.
हाँ.
इज इक्वल टू माइनस.
माइनस.
कहाँ पे था. नोट्स में. वापस नोट्स में. तो सब कुछ अभी नोट्स से ही करना है. कितने का लिया चॉकलेट्स.
चॉकलेट्स लिया 5 lakhs का.
5 lakhs का. हाँ तो 5 लाख है वो लिंक कर.
हाँ. एंटर.
एंटर.
एंटर. हाँ.
है. हाँ,
हाँ.
अभी वो बेचा भी नहीं.
हाँ, बेचा.
तो सिर्फ सेल्स लिखो अभी.
ओके.
राइट. सेल्स. उधर नंबर सामने ही है तो ठीक है. सेल्स.
हाँ. सेल्स. हाँ.
go on the right column and वहाँ पे सेल्स का अमाउंट लिखो, उसके सामने कितना था, इज इक्वल
6
टू।
lakh इज इक्वल टू
हाँ, तो अभी ये प्लस है या माइनस है?
प्लस है।
प्लस है, तो कुछ भी नहीं करना, इज इक्वल टू करके
हाँ।
डायरेक्टली लिंक कर।
हम्म,
और कुछ किया है?
नहीं।
नहीं, तो अब इसको सम करो,
ओके।
इज इक्वल टू,
अच्छा, डायरेक्ट इज इक्वल
नीचे
टू।
नीचे, हाँ
हाँ,
नीचे, हाँ,
इज
इज
इक्वल टू।
इक्वल टू
हाँ।
सम, SUM, हाँ ना, प्रेस
पहला।
टैब, टैब टैब बता, टैब।
टैब। हाँ।
हाँ, तो अभी देखो कैसे आ गया वो ये आ गया ना,
कॉमा ये।
ब्रैकेट आ गया।
हाँ, ब्रैकेट।
हाँ, तो अभी शिफ्ट दबा के ऊपर के सब विथ योर एरोस, शिफ्ट दबा के, हाँ, करेक्ट।
एंटर।
एक सेकंड, वो अभी देखो क्या हो गया, वो
हाँ।
S2 से S6 हो गया है, तो वो
हाँ।
रेफरिंग हो जाएगा, तो S6 नहीं चाहिए हमको, S5 से चाहिए। तो आप एक काम करो, बैक बैक स्पेस दबाओ, बैक स्पेस,
हाँ।
पूरा, और एक वो भी दबाओ, बैक स्पेस,
हाँ। हाँ।
S6 भी निकाल दो, हाँ वो भी निकाल दो,
हाँ।
बस, हाँ। भी सिर्फ तुम्हारा एरोज यूज करके ऊपर जाओ, एरोज,
S5।
सिर्फ एरो, हाँ,
हाँ।
S5 से अभी शिफ्ट दबा के ऊपर सेलेक्ट कर, अभी शिफ्ट दबा के,
हाँ, हो गया।
नाउ क्लोज द ब्रैकेट, नाउ विल यू क्लोज द ब्रैकेट, शिफ्ट एंड 9 ओ है ना, 0 0, किधर देखो क्लोज ब्रैकेट का आता है, शिफ्ट एंड 0, हाँ, क्लोज द ब्रैकेट,
शिफ्ट एंड जीरो दबाओ। हाँ।
हाँ वो क्लोज ब्रैकेट है ना
हाँ।
वहाँ
हाँ,
पे,
कर दिया।
हाँ, एंटर, गिवन लैक्स, तो उसके क्या सामने क्या लिखोगे, वो क्या है, कैश एट बैंक,
टोटल कैश एट बैंक। हाँ।
नहीं, कैश एट बैंक,
इसको भी बोल्ड करना।
मैंने, हाँ इसको एक बार, जब भी तुम कैलकुलेट करते हो तो उसको बोल्ड करना, पहले एंटर दबाओ,
हाँ।
कर्सर हटना चाहिए वहाँ से, कंट्रोल भी,
हाँ।
हो गया।
यस सर।
हाँ, अभी क्या करोगे, कैपिटल, अभी हो गया, वी
हाँ।
हैव मेड ऑल, सबके क्लोजिंग आ गए, P&L
हाँ।
का क्लोजिंग आ गया, बैंक कैश बैलेंस का क्लोजिंग आ गया, और दो अकाउंट है हमारे पास, करेक्ट।
यस सर।
तो अभी सब टैली होना चाहिए, अगर
यस
टैली नहीं
सर।
हुआ मतलब तो गलती की है, तो
हाँ।
आइडियली इफ यू टेक एवरीथिंग, एवरीथिंग शुड टैली, ठीक है।
हम्म।
तो पहला क्या था हमारा, एसेट में क्या था, पहला शॉप, राइट,
यस।
पहला नोट्स में क्या था, शॉप, तो डाला यहाँ पे
शॉप।
शॉप, हाँ, तो जस्ट शॉप ही लिखो यहाँ पे,
एप्लीकेशन ऑफ फंड्स में।
एप्लीकेशन करना, ऑब्वियसली वो क्या एप्लीकेशन है,
हाँ।
सोर्स है, तो अभी शॉप
एप्लीकेशन एप्लीकेशन।
एप्लीकेशन ना, पैसा यूज
हाँ।
किया ना वो, ठीक है,
यस।
शॉप,
शॉप। हाँ।
अच्छा तुम्हारे पास कितने का शॉप बचा है, के में, अभी इस पे हम, अच्छा, ऑलवेज ऋषिकेश एंटर अभी भी करोगे ना तो एंटर डाल के रख देना, वरना
हाँ।
प्रॉब्लम, हाँ। तो अभी ये यहाँ पे क्या फिगर है शॉप के सामने, कितने के शॉप बाकी है तुम्हारे पास,
30। अब 29
30
का
के लिया
होगा।
था ना,
हाँ।
हाँ 30 लाख के लिए थे, 1 लाख इस साल यूज कर दिया उसमें से,
हाँ। हाँ।
तो हाँ, तो हम वो पंच नहीं करना है,
हाँ।
इज इक्वल टू,
इज
इज
इक्वल
इक्वल
टू।
टू, कहाँ पे था वो नोट, 29 लाख का नंबर कहाँ पे था,
नोट्स ऑफ शॉप में।
नोट, हाँ, तो वहाँ पे जाओ,
हाँ, एंटर।
एंटर,
हाँ।
ठीक है, आया 29,
यस
फिर
सर।
क्या बचे हमारे पास, चॉकलेट्स भी बचे नोट्स में, बराबर,
हाँ।
हाँ, तो करो नीचे चॉकलेट्स,
इक्वल टू।
इक्वल टू, हम्म, 1,25,000, और क्या बचा है तुम्हारे पास, कैश,
यस सर।
कैश एट बैंक, इज इक्वल टू
लिंक।
लिंक था ना, कैश फ्लो में था ना, राइट में था।
हाँ
कितना कैश एट बैंक? 1 लाख।
हाँ।
अब इसको सम कर दो पूरा, टोटल। और कुछ नहीं बचा ना? और कुछ है क्या नोट्स?
नहीं।
4 notes हुआ ना, 4 ही नोट्स बनाए थे हमने।
हाँ
हाँ, इज इक्वल टू सम। अच्छा, अभी अगर
हाँ
ऐसा करना चाहिए शॉर्टकट ऑल्सो, और ऋषिकेश,
हाँ
एस्केप दबाओ, एस्केप दबाओ, प्रेस एस्केप।
हाँ।
ये शॉर्टकट अगर ये तीनों लाइन में है तो ही वो यूज होता है। इट इज नॉट
ओके।
रेकमेंडेड अभी, बट एक शॉर्टकट है वेर यू कैन यूज इट, क्योंकि सिंस अभी 3 ही नंबर है।
हाँ
यहाँ पे क्या ज्यादा थे, एंड ये हमको कट शॉर्ट वर्क करना पड़ता है।
हाँ
देयर इज अ शॉर्टकट, ऑल्ट इक्वल टू, नीचे करो, यहाँ पे कर्सर रखो,
हाँ।
प्रेस ऑल्ट इक्वल टू,
एंटर।
एंटर।
ओके।
ओके, अब यही कॉपी करके यहाँ पे डाला।
हम्म। ओके।
कितने का डिफरेंस है? 2 लाख का।
हाँ वो
क्या
प्रॉफिट।
डिफरेंस है वो? प्रॉफिट,
प्रॉफिट।
हाँ।
हाँ।
मतलब एवरीथिंग इज राइट।
यस सर।
यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे तुम? रिजर्व एंड सरप्लस, बिकॉज वो रिजर्व है तुम्हारे,
हाँ
या हम फाइनेंस में बोलते हैं अदर इक्विटी। ओके।
हाँ। रिजर्व्स। इसको ये
लिंक करना है उसको डायरेक्ट।
टैली
ओके, डाली।
हो
हो
गया।
गया,
हाँ।
हो गया। बिना लेजर और बिना ट्रायल जर्नल एंट्रीज के।
यस सर।
सो दिस इज यूजुअली द फाइनेंशियल मॉडलिंग। अभी यहाँ पे इफ यू हैव टू जस्ट चेंज द रेड नंबर पे 90 चेंज कर, 90 का 100 करो ना सिर्फ। ये 90 है ना यहाँ पे, 90 का
हाँ
100, जस्ट डू इट।
ठीक है। चेंज हो गया फिगर्स।
एवरीथिंग चेंज, हाँ। एवरीथिंग चेंज, बट योर बैलेंस शीट विल ऑलवेज टैली।
टैली।
तुम कुछ भी रेड नंबर चेंज करोगे तो रेड नंबर, या बाकी कुछ चेंज करोगे तो मिल जाएगा। तो इसके लिए वो रेड नंबर्स होते हैं, assumptions. If you change
यस।
those assumptions, everything will change. So tomorrow what I will do is,
हाँ
tomorrow जो NISM का है, NISM का जो पार्ट है, जहाँ पे
हाँ
P&L स्टेटमेंट को भी अंडरस्टैंड, P&L स्टेटमेंट।
हाँ।
ओके, P&L
यस सर।
स्टेटमेंट में क्या क्या होता है वो तुमको मैं कल बताऊंगा। EBITDA
ओके।
मार्जिन्स, EBIT
हाँ।
मार्जिन्स, पैट, EPS। ओके,
यस सर।
फिर जैसे हम नोट्स सबका बनाया, बस इसका नोट्स नहीं बनाया, करेक्ट?
हाँ
तो इसका भी नोट्स होता है।
कैपिटल का।
यू ऑल्सो मेक, हाँ, इसका कैपिटल का भी नोट बनता है।
ओके।
सबका नोट बनता है, तभी वो नंबर आता है वहां पे। ओके,
ओके।
तो कैपिटल कैसा आता है? whenever you give capital, when you put capital in the business, पता है तुमको शेयर्स देने होते हैं।
यस सर।
तो अगर मैं बोलूँ मेरे फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर,
हम्म।
फेस वैल्यू, यू नो व्हाट इज द फेस वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर?
यस सर।
मतलब क्या होता है? व्हाट इज फेस वैल्यू?
द प्राइस ऑफ अ शेयर, एक्चुअल प्राइस ऑफ अ शेयर। और जो मार्केट प्राइस होता है एट the price of the share which it trades, it's known as market value. And the face value is total share divided by the number of shares.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, फेस वैल्यू इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर एज पर बुक्स।
हाँ हाँ
सिंपल। फेस वैल्यू इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर, वो भी वैल्यू होता है,
हाँ।
वैल्यू ऑफ द शेयर एज पर बुक्स।
बुक्स।
और जो स्टॉक मार्केट में वैल्यू होता है, वैल्यू एज पर मार्केट।
हाँ
ओके, तो अगर
हाँ।
मैं बोलूँ कि मेरा 10 रुपए का शेयर है, एक
हाँ।
शेयर, ठीक है?
यस सर।
तुमने टोटल मुझे 50 लाख रुपए दिए है,
हाँ
एक शेयर 10 रुपए का है,
हाँ।
तो मैंने तुमको कितने शेयर दिए होंगे?
50 लाख के। सॉरी आई
यू हैव गिवन मी 50 lakhs।
हाँ
ओके, एंड द वैल्यू ऑफ पर शेयर इज 10 रुपीज।
हाँ। 5 लाख।
हाउ मेनी? 5 lakh। So this
हाँ।
is how this 50 lakhs comes.
यस।
Okay, face
हाँ।
value into number of shares gives you 50 lakhs.
यस सर।
तो लेट्स से कल मुझे और 1 लाख रेस करने हैं, तो कितने शेयर रेस करने पड़ेंगे मुझे? 10,000।
Yes, sir.
ये तो ऐसा होता है कैपिटल रेजिंग।
Hmm.
हाउ मच मनी यू आर रेजिंग? इफ यू आर रेजिंग लाइक 1 लाख रुपीज, सो यू हैव टू गिव मोर 10,000 शेयर्स टू होल्डर्स। तो वैसा वो कैपिटल आता है। फिर उससे ईपीएस निकलता है, अर्निंग पर शेयर।
That
कितने
is
शेयर
how
जो
much
कमा के,
you are paying for one share price.
1 शेयर प्राइस, यस। सो
हाँ
एनआईएसएम के पार्ट है, तो दैट आई विल
हाँ।
ठीक है। तो EBITDA मार्जिन, ग्रॉस मार्जिन,
Yes, sir.
depreciation, EBIT margins. We'll also talk about few ratios tomorrow. तो कल
Hmm.
मैं थोड़ा क्विक जाऊंगा।
हाँ sir.
I hope now Excel is good with you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now since I
Sir,
have given you practice, yeah.
actually, I had also some doubts in that NISM. So, can I bring my doubts also tomorrow? Can I get?
But it's a secret. हाँ ठीक है। You
Like,
can ask me ना, वरना ऐसे ही फोन करके पूछ करो।
okay, okay, no problem.
हाँ
हाँ
हाँ ठीक है। Okay.
yeah,
यार बाकी लोग भी है ना, so उनको
हाँ
भी है,
हाँ
ठीक है।
yes,
So this I was doing so that you get accompanied with your Excel.
yes, sir.
नाउ कल मैं थोड़ा फास्ट जाऊंगा, तो तुमको भी कल फास्ट जाना है थोड़ा एक्सेल पे, ठीक है? यू हैव टू वेट
Hmm.
थोड़ा, मैं कट पेस्ट करूंगा कल। आई विल चेंज, इसमें इसी में ऐड करूंगा। आई विल कीप ऑन एडिंग मोर
Hmm.
थिंग्स। जैसे मैंने एडवर्टाइजिंग एक्सपेंस ऐड कर दूंगा, फिर उसके बाद
हाँ
एम्प्लॉय एक्सपेंस ऐड कर, अभी ग्रो कर रहे हैं ना हम, अभी तुम
yes,
अकेले कर रहे हो, तो अभी मैं
हाँ
एम्प्लॉय लूंगा, फिर उसके बाद मैं लोन भी लूंगा।
okay,
सो दिस ऑल थिंग्स गेट्स एडेड अप। ओके
yes, sir.
फाइन। टुमारो आई विल do it the entire P&L statement. Then next day I will, Monday को let's say if you have time, we will do the cash flow statement कि कैश फ्लो में और क्या क्या चीजें ऐड होती
Yes,
है।
sir.
Now good, any doubts?
No, sir.
Easy।
Yeah, easy, sir.
यही है, एमबीए वाले भी यही करते हैं,
Okay.
जिनको नहीं आता है, ठीक है।
हाँ
ओके
हाँ
फाइन। ओके ओके
yes, sir.
ओके
Thank you,
ऋषिका,
sir.
थैंक यू, वेल सी
Thank you,
टुमारो, सी
sir.
यू टुमारो सेम टाइम, हाँ सेम टाइम सेम
Yes,
लिंक।
sir.
ओके
Okay, sir.
ओके ओके
Bye, sir.
बाय 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 बाय। Guys on YouTube, anything to ask till I am there? कुछ के, you can leave।
Okay. Sir, can I
हाँ
give you a call after this?
हाँ फाइन, गिव मी
After 5 minutes, is it okay?
आफ्टर, हाँ 10-15 minutes।
Okay, okay.
5:45।
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, fine।
Bye, sir.
Bye 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 bye, have a nice day।
Yes, sir.